video, you will learn what are the words with long E sound. Let's have first the words with EA. Words with EA has a long E sound. Eagle, eagle. East, east. Ear, ear. Seal, seal. Neat, neat. Meat, meat. Leaf, leaf. Bead, bead. Seat, seat. Heat, heat. Near, near. Now let's have the words with double E. Words with double E has a long E sound. Feed, feed. Seed, seed. Read, read. Weed, weed. Peel, peel. Feel, feel. Heal, heal. Real, real. Deer, deer. Feet, feet. Freed, freed. Bleed, bleed. I will read the following phrases, then you repeat after me. Feel the heat. Hear the beat. Feed the eagle. The seed of a weed. The heels of the feet. A neat seat. Let us read the following sentences, then you answer the questions. The seal feeds on meat. What does a seal feed on? There's a seed on the seat. What is on the seat? I hear the beat of the drum from the east. Where does the beat of the drum come from? The leaves are green. What is the color of the leaves? The eagles fly to the east. What flies to the east? For more interesting educational videos, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get updated of my latest videos.